Hello, Phonmaticians! Welcome to another lesson. Today, we will be learning about division. That's right. When you take away the smaller number from a larger number over and over again, you have divided. This is the division sign. When you see the division sign between two numbers like this, you are to divide the larger number by the smaller number. This is done by taking away the smaller number from the larger number over and over again until there's nothing left. Let's represent the numbers with objects. 8 bananas to divide between 2 monkeys. If we divide 8 bananas between 2 monkeys, we will give 2 bananas to the monkeys until there are no bananas left. Poor monkeys. They sure look hungry. Let's divide the 8 bananas quickly. We will take away 2 bananas from 8. Now we have 6 bananas left. Let's take away 2 bananas again. We still have 4 bananas. Let's keep taking away 2 bananas till we have no more bananas. Now, there's no bananas left. We have successfully divided 8 bananas between 2 monkeys. Let's find out how many they got each. Yay! Each monkey got 4 bananas. This means 8 divided by 2 is 4. Can we try another? Yes! Let's divide 9 pencils among 3 friends. Let's take away 3 pencils for the boys. We have 6 pencils left. Let's take away 3 pencils again. Now we have 3 pencils left. Let's give it all to the boys. Perfect! There's no pencil left. Now, how many pencils did each person get? That's right! 3 pencils each. That was super fun. Here's something for you to try your hands on. Can you share 15 fancy hats among 3 girls? Give it a try. Keep taking away 3 hats for the girls until there's no hat left. Now, count how many hats each girl has. Awesome! Each girl has 5 hats. You are amazing, Phonmaticians! Remember to keep practicing all you've learned. Bye for now!